What's up, guys? So you might notice something a little bit different. It's kind of getting hot out here, but nonetheless, I'm gonna go out here, clean up this BMW interior. I threw it up on Marketplace, and apparently there's a bunch of people who are relatively interested in it. So I don't know, it might stay, might go, just depends on how things are going and you know what I get offered. So far there's a dude willing to drive from Chattanooga to come pick it up, but I don't know if I want to get rid of it. And yeah, look at this beautiful day. That thing's pretty cool. I mean, just an eye. But all in all, the seats are trash. I mean, you know, I feel like there was a cat scratching post, you know, at some point. But yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. What I did notice is it's actually a 4-speed. You know, that's kind of neat. Don't see that often. And I mean, it's in all right shape. There's not a lot of rust. Got the gas from Xfinity in the hood. But I mean, all in all, I mean, it's got rust, but I mean, no more, no less than what I'd see anywhere else. I mean, for a 180,000 mile car. So let's get to it. So what I'm going to be using to clean this lovely thing is spray with glass cleaner and, you know, McGuire's quick interior detailer. I've used it on the Zafiro a lot. I use a spray away for, you know, paint. Pretty much anything I do for prep work. Does a really good job. I mean, I can't complain about it. It's cheap too. So I was kind of surprised when I was cleaning this. I didn't expect the sunroof to actually work. I figured it was electrical. I didn't even look at it. But as you can see there, you turn the crank. Oh God, I hope it closes. Oh, look at it go! Oh, girl. This thing just got a little cooler. Well, so you guys got to see this thing get cleaned up and throw it on Marketplace, and let's see what she can do. But again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Take it easy.